Oh no, the bus. It's leaving.
Run, John, run!
It's too late. The bus is gone.
I'm sorry. When is the next one?
In 20 minutes. I don't want to be late for work.
Me too. My boss is not happy when I arrive late.
Do you have the bus schedule?
Yes, one moment. Here, the next bus comes at 8:15.
That's okay. I can call my boss now.
Good idea. I will call my boss too.
This happens to me every Monday.
Every Monday? Why?
I always leave home 5 minutes late.
Set an alarm. It helps me a lot.
You are right. I need a new routine.
Yes, wake up earlier. Problem solved.
Thank you, Mary. Good advice.
No problem. Oh, here comes the bus.
Finally, let's go. We are not late today.
Well, maybe a little late.
Just a little.